We can show now how to fix the scrapers and the bush in the agitator. This part has to be next to the container. We can now fix the agitator in the machine. Check if the tap is properly closed and switch on the machine. We can now fill our mix in the bowl. We can mix using the agitator program. We can now increase or decrease the speed of the agitator using F+ or F- button. After mixing, we can start the gelato process. We can use any of those programs and start the program. The programs are already preset in the company at a temperature of -11 degrees Celsius. In case your mix needs a different temperature, we can modify the temperature while the program is in process by pressing the button number 2 and selecting the temperature freezing. We can now increase or decrease the keeping temperature of our finished gelato. Let's start all the bowls, Jerry. For any need, we can change the recipe name. Remember that in this machine you can use 1 freezing temperature, 2 freezing temperature, up to 5 freezing temperature. We can show you now how to modify the conservation temperature. From the configuration, you select working program list, and from working program list you can select any of the 5 freezing temperature programs. For example, freezing temperature 1, by pressing OK, we go to select the conservation temperature that now is at -11, and for example we can go down to -12 or -13 and fix this temperature for the future using of this program. In order to come back to the principal screen, we can press F- and F+ together. For the night, we can switch off all the bulbs and select the night service program.